guys, and welcome back. Today's video is the first official boom video. If you watched my video of the clock I redid at Hobby Lobby, then you know what I'm talking about. If not, basically these are just dupe videos, but with an explosive effect. So sit back and wait for it. The supplies you will need for today's project are lilacs. I got these from the Dollar Tree. A small square glass vase. Clippers. And this clear glue. To begin, you just want to clip off your feathers, oh my goodness, your flowers, and place them in the vase to decide how much of the stem you're going to need to cut off. So you're just going to put those in there and just kind of play around and move them around. I noticed that the flower arrangement from Kirkland's had some of this spider grass. I think that's what this is called. And I was pleasantly surprised to find out that I actually had some of this put back that I could use. So I didn't have to go out and buy any. That was good. So what you're going to do is you're just going to continue to cut and place the flowers in the vase, and then go ahead and start adding some of your glue. Now this glue is not going to set up quickly, so be very careful as you're placing these and moving them around. You'll see here that I had to actually add, well, in a minute, I had to add some more glue to fill up the vase a little bit because the flowers are top heavy and they kept wanting to fall out because the little vase is so small. So I did go ahead and add some more and some more glue, and it took it, I'm going to be honest with you, it's been about 48 hours as I'm doing the voiceover for this video, and the glue is almost completely dry, but there are still some stems in there that I can move around. So I'm not having to be precious about it and very gentle, but if I tried hard enough, some of the leaves or the stems would still come out. So just be cautious of that. You could use hot glue. Well, you'd have to use a lot of it, but you could use Mod Podge, and that's actually what I originally wanted to do, but I was out. I didn't have enough, and we just happened to go to, we were going to go to Walmart, and I was going to pick some up, but we ended up going somewhere else, and I got this glue. So one more time, I want to show you the inspiration piece, and here it is right here. Notice that price tag down in the left-hand corner, $169. And here is my finished product. What do you think? Did I do a pretty good job recreating the inspiration? I think so. I'm really proud of it, especially since it cost me maybe $12, but probably less than $12. But tell me what you think. Leave me a comment down below. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the first boom video. I have some more coming, so be on the lookout for them. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please consider joining our little community. I'd love to have you. Give this video a thumbs up and click that notification bell so that YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload a new video. That's all for today. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.